Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change tool skins in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, if you want to change your tool skins, you can go to the toolbox menu and you will see this icon. Click on this icon, then you can choose the tool that you want to change the skin. And I'm going to choose my watering can because I have just purchased the Snowflake Watering Can from the Fashion Wave store. And I'm going to use the Snowflake Watering Can. Okay, and let's see. Okay, this is the watering can after I applied the Snowflake one. And if you can't see this picture guys, it means that you don't have another skin to apply because I can unlock this feature after I buy the Snowflake watering can. Okay, so you need to get the tool skins to unlock this feature. Okay guys, and that's how we can change tool skins in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.